Question 24. There are some counters in a bag. The counters are red or white or blue or yellow. Bob is going to take at random a counter from the bag. The table shows each of the probabilities that the counters will be blue or will be yellow. There are 18 blue counters in the bag. The probability that the counter Bob takes will be red is twice the probability that the counter will be white. So therefore this would be 2 to 1. Work out the number of red counters in the bag. Okay, so now let's first figure out how much probability is left. So if we have 0.45 plus 0.25, this is going to equal 0.7, meaning that 0.3 is left to be split in the ratio of 2 to 1 between red and white. If there's 0.3 being split in the ratio of 2 to 1, red would get 0.2 and white would get 0.1. Okay, so we know the probability of getting red. Let's work out how many counters red would get. So we know 18 counters equals 0.45. If we divide both of these by 9, we'd get 2 counters equals 0.05, and 1 counter therefore will be 0.025. We know that the probability of red is 0.2, so if we just do 0.2 divided by 0.025, we will get the number of counters that is red, which is 8, which is our answer for part A. Part B, a marble is going to be taken at random from a box of marbles. The probability that the marble will be silver is 0.5. There must be an even number of marbles in the box. Explain why. There must be an even number of marbles in the box because if you were to multiply the probability of getting a silver marble, 0.5, by an odd number of marbles, you would get a decimal because 0.5 timesing something by 0.5 halves the number. So it means that there must be an even number of marbles in the box because you cannot have half or fractions of marbles.